Okay, let's see here. I need to organize. What am I doing? Because I got a tinge of a slight aversion before from what I'm doing. I think control.apply was annoying me a little bit, and that's very, very dangerous, because you should not force yourself to do something you don't want to do, and it's easy to forget what you were doing. So what we're going to do is we're going to just plan out a little bit what are we doing, and why are we doing it, so like we don't get stuck. So I was reorganizing this. So okay, I think applicative is the next control. Applicative, okay. So okay. Applicative bind. And then monad. The hell? Why is it red? Okay. Oh, it does. It thinks it's Haskell. That's hilarious. I think it's Markdown. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's funny. Okay. Okay. Anyway, okay. So, yeah, I don't think I care about. I don't care about this. Maybe later, but right now I don't care. Category. Yeah, I don't care. Okay. So once we've done these, then okay, discard. Now, discard is in bind, right? Yeah, discard. Okay, it's in there. Okay, cool. So once these are done, we're done with that, and then we can get on to effect. And effect, it's going to be interesting. I think effect's going to be interesting. There's a question of should we, so effect, okay. So we want to see, so this one we're going to be doing. We want to see if we can do like I don't know what to call it, like try, see if we can do, I don't know if it's called toIndexed, but I'm just calling it that way. So there's the question of the magic thing. Look into magic, where basically we don't want the table lookups that type classes. like the dynamic dispatch. We want to avoid that if possible. So we'll see how we can do that. Once this is done, because like this is what gives me motivation. I want to get to this here. It's very easy to forget what you're doing. And I'm thinking after this we can jump into this. This will have its own sort of sets of I don't know, things, its own sets of challenges. But I know it can be done. So this, okay, so this is interesting. So okay, and this I think this will be fun. Okay, so it's not that much. Cool. Let's do this one. I think we can do this really quickly. I want to get them out of the way. Whoops. There we go. Okay. Now I realize let's see here. This is interesting. We actually need to do this. Yeah, because let's see. Oh, but yeah. There we go. Build. Applicative. Okay. I think. From module fact. Okay. Module effect. Module abstract. Really? Oh, that's good. Of course, in here. Input value pure from module abstract. What module? Main. Okay. Source. Okay. Great. Cool. Let's just get rid of these. Okay. Great. Applicative. So, is there a JS applicative? There isn't. Cool. So what do we have here? Okay. Sure. Okay. Huh. Lift A1, okay. Alright. Oh, this is good. When and false. Interesting. Alright. Yeah. There we go. Great. And oh, I need to write that down. This is gonna be important actually. It's not fun. I have to make it fun. I have to make it fun. This is PureScript test. It's gonna be quite the thing, I think. I realize we're actually gonna need some math stuff as well. So it is accumulating, but of course we have to do it. Math stuff. You know what? Let's do this standard library. And we'll these will do this. You could say this belongs to that, but whatever. Okay. Good. Good. And okay, so we have an applicative library now. Let's oh, that's true. Let's see. Prelude. Oh. And now in here, yeah, we don't need that anymore. Cool. Everything builds. Great. Cool. Great. Okay, anything else? No. That was the applicative. Cool. Great. Control bind. Abstract. Oh yeah. Great. And we'll just okay. Oops. I think this card also goes in there. Bind. We need right. Bind has discard as well. Yeah. Great. Perfect. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. All right, so what do we have in here? We have apply by bind flipped. Oh, right. Yeah, of course. Right, of course. Okay. Sure. Flip. Did I not? Okay. Interesting. I may have okay. Okay, so what is it? You take C, that's flip, I believe. F. There we go. And now, great. Cool. Cool. It's kind of interesting how you become aware of like how many extra steps like that are being executed for, you know, like the difference between this and this. It's like just doing this instead of this, you are like creating a whole bunch of functions, intermediate functions. So that's kind of interesting. It's interesting to think about. I'm not going to worry about that, of course, but good to keep in mind. Right. Okay. All right. This one's interesting because this one is interesting because it will. Okay, I think I know how to do this one. Rebind. Okay. No, not JS. Jesus Christ. Yeah. There we go. Boom. What do we call it? We call it rebinds. Takes 2 arguments. Okay. This is. Yeah, sure. Sure. I mean, it's. Here we go. Okay. Okay. All right. So. Right. Of course. Okay. Interesting. So. thinking that we let's see here. Access closely. Okay. So I think we want to work with an intermediate linked list. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so let's see here. We do have to. We're done when and then we're going to return something. So do we have a well, look at that. Okay, interesting. So what we can do is vector let's see here. I'm thinking okay. I mean, what we should. So we can't know before we've run through all these. We don't know what the length of the final vector should be. We don't know that. I think we want this, and we want to count. We want to count how many items we accumulated, and we have so we'll do index something like that. This is the count of the result. This is the index into access. Okay, so I don't think we want this. If okay, base case. If access is less than, then we're going to do something. Else, we're going to do something else. We are going to I'm going to allocate a vector. I wanted to do that. We're allocating a vector. And we need to accumulate something here. Might as well be a list. And I'm just going to call this loop. We're going to shadow that. And we're going to, okay. I'm going to pick act part. And once we've done that, no, yes, okay. Let's see here. Once ACK is null, we're going to return result. If ACK is not null, that means that there's another list, another vector in ACK. And we are going to, oh my god, this is so, mind bending. This is not fun. Okay. Can I like make this easier to work with? Because this is not. It's not fun to work with like mutating stuff and integer like indices and stuff like that. I don't like that. But I don't think I have a choice. Try to keep all this in my head. Okay. So we have some items in, we have at least one item in ACK. And we have a result I. So we want to loop through the head of ACK. I'll loop through those. Okay, so what we're going to do is, oh yeah, right, okay, so here's, okay. So I'm going to do this. Okay, we're working through these. And I think we're going to do the same with this. Okay. This, okay, a lot of stuff to keep him in head. So, okay. Okay, so like, I'm thinking when I is negative, we're done. And we are going to go back to loop. This is interesting because we're mutating results, so this doesn't even need to be there. Oh. Okay. Okay. I think, okay, so we have this result here. We loop through this. When it's empty, we're done. Okay, so there we go. Okay. So when This is empty. We are done. And here we are working through this thing. When it's negative, what do we do then? We take this value and it's, what is it? Is it sub 1? Right? No. I'm pretty sure it's not, because this is negative. And then counteract. We move on to the next thing. Now what are we doing here? Here vector result I vector ref charac I think this is correct, but yeah, we are definitely testing it. Did I even invoke cliently? I didn't. I didn't, I don't think. Access. No, oh, because we haven't done this part. Okay, that's good to know. So, okay. So let's do... And so this should just be, oh, it's not gonna work, but it's not gonna work, but oh, okay, well, actually that's true. I don't need this. What? Oh. Cool. Yeah, of course. Okay. So if this is okay, this is small, good. What we need to do is we need to do let's see here, we need to do class back to ref, and it's like don't need this anymore. Okay, so then what do we do with this result? We're going to invoke loop. No, wait, let loop plus vector length ys xsi cons y is ac. I think this is, yeah, cool. Now if I do this now, we should get 2, 10, 3, 20, 4, 30. Please work. Boom. Look at that. And if we do two, 10, x plus 1, 3, 20, x plus 2, 4, 30, x plus 8. Nice. Cool. All right. Oh, cool. Now, I am curious about something. Sorry, we can keep you there. Here. Okay. The question is, actually, let's just do a little bit of formatting here. Okay. So the question is, I wonder, is it, oops, sorry. Can this be turned into, no, wait, can this be turned into, let's see, I think this can be turned into, but here's the thing, here's what I'm gonna look into. We're gonna build this. Is that an error? No, it's just a warning. Okay, cool. So I am curious because I forgot something, which is the control.bind here. Array bind. Now, hang on a second. Okay, that's cool. I think array bind, I've actually forgotten. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's good. We can unit test this. This is, that's good. We need to unit test this because this is gulp, significantly like moderately complex. So tests. We want data dot bind dot spec. There we go. Cool. I don't care about you. Bind. Cool. Where are you? Tests. Also, did I put it in here, right? Yeah, it's in there. Okay, cool. So we're on tests. Not found. Really? Oh, because it's control.bind. So this. And there we go. Cool. I'll just commit this, or stage it rather. Yeah. Okay, cool. And alright, we'll stage these. Now this thing here. So we have, okay, array bind, cool. So let's see, the first argument was a list, great. List, sorry, array, vector, and then, okay. So I'm just gonna do this, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do this, because I don't care about the argument, and I'm just going to return an empty vector, and this should equal an empty vector. Oh, parentheses disappeared. Good. Now, if I can I do this? I actually don't, because I don't. Whoops. Don't. I'm pretty sure you can't do that with vector. Oh, actually, maybe you can. I'm super curious. Okay, you can. This is splicing. That's cool. Actually, yeah, I was unsure if you could do that with vectors. You tend to use lists for the most part in Lisp, being a list processor. Okay, and I want to add 1, so now I should get 2, 3, 4. And now I want to do actually, I'm going to do that, and I should get X, X, and X. Great, I believe in this now. This is tested. Okay, cool. Now, here's what we're going to do. Now we're going to refactor it, or see if we even can refactor it. Because like here, for example, I'm thinking, couldn't we do something along these lines? What is it? Let's see, loop. Okay, coulder yeah. Coulder. When are we done? When this is null, and then we return result. Right. Okay. Cool. No, header, yeah. And then what do we do here? We have another do. Let's see. It would be, oh, it would be this thing here. But now, wait, no. It's this thing. What am I? I'm being stupid. Let's see here. Man, do I believe in this? I'm sorry, do I believe this is... No, it doesn't work. I don't know, this doesn't work. Because this loop changes this thing. So, okay, no, that's good to know. I don't think this works. I think this has to be this way. And what about this up here? This might actually be, let's see here, YS. No, I don't think this works either. YS. So when we're done, we'll do this. Maybe, let's see. can we do this here? Actually, let's see. I'm pretty sure we can't. Nah, you know what? I don't care. I'm happy with this. This is good. All right, cool. What else? We have discard. It's in here already. Join, right? Join is important. Join is important. Oops. Oh, let's see. Great. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Of course, I want this. Good. And what is this? Oh. Oh, interesting. What is this? Oh, okay. Cool. I like this. This is really cool. I really like this. Cool. All right, great. And we build this. Yeah, whatever. Okay, unbuild. Fine. Prelude. We're already exporting all of it. Okay, cool. Boink. Great. That's nothing to do with anything. Great. To do. Only monad left. Awesome. Is there monad? No, okay. So okay. We don't need this anymore. Don't need this. Let's put in monad there. Now well, okay. That's what I get for, let's see, model class on, yeah, okay. Okay, good. All right, cool. Monad, yeah, nice. Okay. Move that, add that, awesome. Don't need this. Okay. What do we have? Yeah, some implementations. Oh, by the way, did I no. Okay, good. Okay. What the hell? There we go. Okay. Hang on. Isn't this like... Isn't this exactly the same as this lift one? I mean, like, I mean, couldn't I just oh, that's interesting. Yeah. Bind from module. Wait, what? Sorry, isn't am I? It's here. Wait, what? It has to come from preload? Huh. What? That's interesting. Okay. That's no. No, I don't think that's true. So, okay. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Yeah, that's my thought. Okay. But now, here's my question. Isn't this exactly... No, it's lift one. Okay, but like, couldn't you do this? Yeah. So why even have this? Why even have it? I don't understand why we would even have this here. And this thing, I mean, isn't this the same thing? So we don't need that. No, wait, I don't think it's the same thing. I think oh no, that's not good. I can't have that. But let's see. Yeah, it's not the same because this is not an M. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, right, the way on, of course. Yeah. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Okay, what are you? Cool. No. Yeah, cool. That's cool. Okay. What is this? Okay, again, why would we need this? Can therefore be used to write apply instances as follows. Okay. Only a bind constraint is needed, but this can... produce loops when used with other default implementations. I don't like. I don't get like why even have this. Maybe I'm missing something, but yeah, we'll just proceed. I like to just do that sometimes, like when I don't see the point. Just try and see what happens if you exclude it or do something different. And when you run into an issue, then you will be presented with the reason. You don't need to think about everything all the time. Okay. Cool. That's great. And then did we in here? Build. Great. This thing still, we don't need to worry about this just yet. Okay, I think that is everything for this whole thing. So that's so nice. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, ooh, almost forgot this. Great. Nice. Okay. I'm so glad I did this because I am having fun again. Okay. I think I will stop there and look into this, the next part. I think let me actually take a quick look and see. I'm curious, what is okay, and this, all right. I'm sure proxy is yeah, I know proxy can be super interesting. I just don't think I care about it right now. I know proxy can be really powerful, but we're not going to worry about that. Data is the big one, and I don't think I will bother with like all these fancy. I think I will keep it very simple. There's one little thing I've been thinking about in regards to numbers, which is like, is it like something like division has like, let's say, this signature, right? And I think doing, no, sorry, I want this to be marked down, thank you. And doing something like, I mean, you can do this when this is 0. That's one thing. That's a little bit annoying. I think actually, I wonder if we might want something like this. Not sure, but we might not do that. But I'm tempted to look into it. I am tempted. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We will see. Right, here's also a bunch of stuff. Let's do this here quickly before I forget. Cool.